Yo, I hope y'all niggas had a good weekend, man. Y'all chill out on the market a little bit. Take your time, breathe out, breathe in, because it ain't going nowhere and this shit is easy. So I'm coming with y'all with another strategy for real. Like, it's not even a strategy. I went over the breakout. I'm gonna get more in depth with the breakout and how to get better entries and better probability of entering y'all trades because I'm killing this XPX, man. I'm just saying, it's a higher chance you're gonna win if you just do these steps, man. I feel like everyone should just take, something out of this video. You ain't gotta take everything, but I'm showing me how I win my high probability setups, and we're gonna get into it, man. I'm telling you, man, this is a gatekeeper. All I'm gonna say is look at the time frames, man. Just don't look at one. Let's get into the video. Alright, man, we here at the charts and we ain't gonna do nothing too complicated, man. I'm gonna just make this simple and easy, man. You gotta really know how to read the markets, man. Read it in your knowledge and always look for the high probability setups, man. And I'm gonna show y'all one way how to do it. It's not very hard, you feel me? You just look for see where the trend is going. You play with it at high time frames, cause at first I used to be like they used to be like follow a trend, but if you're looking at one time frame, you look down, it's not really showing. Like, say if you want to follow the trend, let's just do an example. You want to sell, you see this big push of the sell, and then you waiting for the retracement. You probably try to buy, buy probably like sell right here, but it keep going up and up. So that's why you really gotta break it down. So look. Let's check this out. So here's what I would do. Here's my statistics. This is what I do. My probability, 1 hour, is showing me a downtrend. Even I go on 4 hour. I really wouldn't go that down, but it's showing me still downtrend momentum. And let me tell you why I see downtrend. You see hour downtrend. I really look at hour to 30 minutes because I try to enter off the 5 minute. So look. You see 30 minute is still showing me downtrend. So as in this red bar right here, I don't really care if it breaks up here. If it breaks, I really wouldn't trade it because it's still showing me, it needs to show me like a more of an upper trend momentum for me to start buying. So me, I am looking at downtrends. Even if it go up like all of this, I would not have sold. And let's go and let me tell you why. We're gonna go to that in a second, but let me tell you what I want to see. It might not happen, it might not, but the high setup I want to see price enter in here, and I just want to see break a structure, and I would just sell price. Basically, I just want to see a break of structure and sell price. See, I want to see like a good push, a good bearish push on a 5 minute, basically. Because the downtrend, I just want to see a downtrend momentum as it go ahead. If it goes up, I just wouldn't trade it until it really breaks. Like, I probably push this up to here. If it comes back down, I try to look for more bullish momentum. But if it to keep going up, my bias will change. And hey, I'll probably start looking for buys if I see a real buy momentum basically on the hour. So let's break this down. So I got it right here. So me, I would just look for sales. So let's go to the 5 minute. Let me explain this. So me, I'm looking for the sales. As you see, boom, boom. It don't really break structure as much. So I will look for, usually, let's mark this blue. I like looking at the blue price on 5 minutes. So I would want to see a break of structure to the downside, a strong break of structure, because this is still showing me uptrends, and I'll try to keep selling to the downside. It could come back up, but the probability is more likely in the downtrend, so I would try to go to my strongest suit and go downtrend, because the 30 minute is showing me downtrend. This is just a pullback, so we looking for entry. We just looking for entry. So I'll wait for the break until I see momentum, and a push. I enter off the break, or I enter off a 50 retracement. Those are my two entries I would take. So let's just do an example, because price is up. Like, so even is a good example. If you even want to buy, you buy. I wouldn't buy because it's momentum. It's going up. Boom, boom, boom. I don't see no break to the downside. I don't really see no break. Just keep going up and up and up until you see a strong break, a structure, and then it'll probably come back up, and then another break. You could enter off that, or you could enter off a strong break. So let's see. You see, as price go under here, I probably would have seen that, and now look. Okay, let's go. We could have multiple entries in. So strong break, a structure. We could do it to our last higher high. You gotta see a strong break of structure. I usually like doing a 1.5. Boom. We would go realistically to like right here. That's a 1.9. Hey, let's see another break of structure. Can we get another sell position? Boom, another break of structure. I probably up to here, and we want a 1.5. 1.5, another break of structure. Boom, and the profits. And can we get another break of structure? Yes, we can. You get even a small one. I really want to enter off this because I want to see like a bigger break of structure. But fuck, we could do that. No, enter a break of structure of this. Enter right here. Want your last higher high. And it's already at 1.5, and it hit all three of your take profit as it was going down. Yeah, so you just want to see a break of structure. As you can see here, you don't really see a break of structure. Even you enter here, you would have just lost, bring it back up. And I would have waited till a stronger break of structure. But you see there's a strong wick, I wouldn't have entered. I needed to see a push of momentum, and I ain't see no push. I see it's just playing around and it's going up. So as it's going up, I would have probably looked for each other more sales, but it's not. Look, I want it to break back down and a retest or a break, or I'll enter off the break, and depending on what the market is giving me. And yeah, but I didn't see that. We don't see no break. And now you go up to my white box. Now I want to see a break right here of structure to the downside off the 5 minutes, and I'm looking at it off the 30-minute time frame. You see? So I'm just waiting for a break of structure. Sometimes the patience pays, you feel me? Even if it goes to right here, and want to switch to uptrend, I could still take advantage of something right here. It gotta fill out, you feel me? I could take advantage of right here. It could be one sell and it could go back up. As long as I'm taking advantage of the sell, my bias is sell until it shows me otherwise. I have to stay with my bias until it breaks the structure, and now I probably change my bias. Wait till I see what the market doing. That's why you look at other pairs. Sometimes your pair's not ready for today, and yeah, you just gotta wait. Be patient, man. So that's what I got today, man. My breakdown of the time frames. I just want y'all to go through time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, whatever it do. Even though I still go to 4 hours, just in case, you know. It might be time for a break of structure. You see, boom. You probably want to go up, but as I'm a low time frame, I like looking at 30-minute, hour at most, 15-minute, 5. I always look at high time frames though. So that's my video for today, man. I'm out, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here.